Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel of Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my video.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So sharing with you my version of shrimp with salted egg. This is an easy recipe that everybody's tummy happy. And of course, this video is best for beginners who wish to try. Okay? Ang ating sangkap, of course, 1/4 na hipon. So maganda rin yung nabili kong hipon, guys. And of course, ang iba pa nating sangkap ay sibuyas, bawang, carrots, sili, at yung spring onions for our toppings. And then, of course, ang ating salted egg, 2 eggs. Ayan guys, so ito lang yung mga main ingredients ko sa ating shrimp with salted egg. So, let's start cooking. So, sa ating pan guys, let's put butter. So, we will use butter instead of oil para mas masarap siya. Pag melted na ang butter, of course, ilagay natin ang ating bawang. And pwede nyo na rin pong isabay ang onion or sibuyas. Okay, and then until mag-golden brown siya, ilagay natin yung susunod na ingredients. Medyo golden brown na ang sili, lagay na natin ang hipon. So, yung hipon guys, peeled siya para at least mas madali ng kainin, di ba? So, I suggest na balatan nyo na siya. But, it's up to you kung mas gusto nyo naman na hindi pa siya peeled. Pero ako, pinalatan ko na para pag kinain, smooth na lang, di ba? Ayan. So, saglit lang naman pulutuin ang let's put patis to taste. So, kung wala naman kayong patis, of course, you can use salt. So, alam nyo guys, mas maganda kung hindi overcook yung hipon. So, lutuin lang ng 2 to 3 minutes. And then, after that, let's put the carrots. Ayan. So, pampadagdag din yung carrots sa ating recipe. And then, of course, lagyan natin ng cornstarch. So, hindi ko nasama to kanina sa ingredients. Pero, ayun, naisip ko na magandang lagyan ng cornstarch, dissolve in water para medyo sticky or maging malapot ang ating sauce, diba? So, sa mga ibang niluluto ko, naglalagay ako ng cornstarch, dissolve in water, pampalapot siya, guys. Ayan, so, lutuin lang natin konti, haluin natin konti, and then, lagay na natin ang ating salted egg. So, imagine na, meron din ibang, recipe na pwedeng gawin out of salted egg. And ito na nga yung ating shrimp with salted eggs. Okay? May S talaga, no? Eggs. Salted egg. Ayan. So, this recipe is very easy to prepare. Pero alam niyo naman, for sure, magugustuhan na naman to ng ating loved ones. Diba? And para sa mga kids, wag niyo na pong lagyan ng sili para hindi maanga. Okay? Ayan, so luto na ito guys, pwede na. So, last ingredient to put ay ang ating spring onions. Lagyan nyo din siya ng spring onions para added flavor and at the same time, diba, the color, mas appetizing siya, diba? Ayan, so all done. So it's eating time. So thank you guys for watching and see you again on my next vlog. Hope matry nyo po at home ang ating simple recipe for today.